Are your students more anxious than usual? Are your teachers overwhelmed and totally stressed out? Has your admin team even felt more pressure than usual? Born to Shine works with school districts to support their K-5 students by giving them the exact SEL tools they need to overcome anxiety and depression so they can shine from the inside out and thrive in school and life. Now, unlike other youth speakers and SEL programs, Born to Shine is not a one-and-done program. Our goal is to really make it stick by using our proven 3-step process. Step 1, school assembly. Step 2, reflective session. Step 3, our 12-month aftercare support course. Yep, it's pretty awesome. Now imagine your students having more self-esteem, more empathy, being kinder to themselves and each other. Imagine it being easier for your teachers to teach because of the improved classroom behavior. I'd love to show you and your admin team a private 10-minute demo so you can experience the positive impact Born to Shine will have on your K-5 students, your staff, and your district. So go ahead and email me and we'll schedule your private demo because your students, your staff, and you were born to shine.